Oh my gosh. Oh my God, look. It's beautiful. Oh, this sounds right because I'm testing out a new mic. Because I will be behind this very big box doing an unboxing for you guys. I hate that it always sounds echoey, so that's why I got this. So I hope it sounds right. Yeah, so let's get into the unboxing, into the actual video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I'm back with a new video. So today is a very special unboxing and it's basically been the moment that I have been waiting for to show you. We have a very big goodie for our channel. This is probably the main reason why I've been away for so long as I have. So basically, long story short, I've been trying to edit, and for both of my channels I've been wanting to basically just up the quality for both of them. I film very high quality videos on purpose because I do love high quality. I invest in high quality for a reason because I hate seeing blurry pictures, blurry videos, unless it's done on purposely. But other than that, I don't like low quality stuff. That's just me. I'm bougie. I don't care. I'm more of a veteran now into the content creation space where I can invest in my career. So that's what I did. Basically, I bought myself a secondary camera. If you already haven't seen the unboxing of my new camera, my secondary camera rig, what are you doing basically? And now I'm going to unbox my most prized possession. Post-production. Basically, as a content creator, if you know, you know, editing is probably the biggest headache, the biggest migraine that you could possibly have for post-production, because if you don't have an editor, or you know, if you're like me, you're part-time, you do all the work yourself. You wear many hats. I had my iMac. I could post a picture right here on the screen. I had my iMac for several years now. I think I had it since 2016 after my other laptop before that died. My very first iMac, well, MacBook from college. I used to edit off of that, then that died, and I got my big iMac, and I was very happy with that investment. It lasted me a very long time. The only thing that slowed me down was the RAM. I only had 8 gigabytes of RAM, and if you're shooting in 4K or higher, which is kind of the norm nowadays, at least I think, you won't have a very fast process, especially if you have 8 gigabytes. I decided to start saving up, and I eventually sold my iMac because I always take care of all of my equipment in my studio. So I sold her on Facebook Marketplace, probably back in like maybe March. I think I got this April. I opened a business account up with Apple, and now I got this. So this is my iMac unboxing. I'm very excited. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. So we're gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna talk to you about what I plan to do with it, my process, my thoughts. You know how it goes, guys. So I'm gonna get into the unboxing and stop rambling. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna try to clip this to my shirt while I unbox this. I hope it doesn't mess up the audio. This is how it came. I was gonna get it at the Apple store, but the Apple store didn't have the specific configuration that I wanted, the custom configuration that I wanted. I will put all the details somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see exactly what I ordered. So yeah, there's a box here. I'm not being trifling and dirtying up my house, because if you know me, you know good and damn well I hate clutter, because I didn't realize how big this box is. Oh, that didn't sound too good. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, look. It's beautiful. Oh, perfect. Oh, we love that. We love that. Oh, I gotta do my hair for a thumbnail. Here, let me take it. I gotta take it out of the box. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I didn't know it was upside down this whole time. Holy shit, it better not be dented. Like, it came in a box like this, y'all, so I don't know if it's dented or not, but I hope it's not, because I will cry. This is cute. We love her. Let me take a picture for my stories. I hope it's not broke, because I definitely got, what's the Apple insurance called? I don't know. But another reason why this took so long, you guys, I don't know if I mentioned it on my stories or on Instagram or not. My basement was getting redone, so that's another reason why. I don't know if y'all can really see the dust that's on this box. I'm glad it's not on this box. I actually want to keep this, because when I move, I'm going to move it out of this. So anyway, let me stop rambling so we can get into the actual unboxing, but I just want to give y'all a little background. This, get that out the way and get an actual thumbnail. Does my hair look cute? I'm so excited. Okay, Apple has the best unboxing. Like, okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Oh my God. gosh, wait, I gotta make sure. Okay. This is so beautiful. Oh my God. It says hello. I don't know if y'all can, I gotta twist this around so you guys can see it. This, oh, hold on, this is a big old, she a big old girl. It says hello on the screen. Woo, this thing is big, child. Hold on. Is there any, okay, I can't open that. It has 2 arrows right here on the side of the box, and it's saying to push out, so I'm going to do that. OMG. Am I doing this right? I hope so. What the hell? Oh my God. This thing is so thin. I feel like I need to get in the front of there just to make sure I don't drop this thing. Oh, it's so thin. Yo, this is so light compared to my old one. Like, do you see this? It's so light compared to my old iMac. If you had the old iMac, and I'm gonna put a picture of my old one, you could tell the difference. The weight difference is fucking nuts. This is so much thinner than the old one. Okay, hold on. Let me get this thing finally out of the box. I'm gonna have a heart attack if this thing falls. Now we have, it's a box right here. It has, I guess the cords and the keyboard. I also got a customized keyboard. It's the keyboard that has the numeric pad. I'm used to it from my 9-to-5 job, so I just got that anyway. This is so nice. Okay, so it has the braided cord. It's the braided cord with the charger, and it has the Apple logo on it. Love that. And it comes with, this is very pink braided cord. This is the power cord. Of course, the keyboard herself. She's gorgeous. I already know she is. Wow. Wow. I don't know if this is, the cameras are picking up. You see this? Waiting for my camera to focus. It's giving rose gold. The numeric pad is like dope. Like, I never had, this is my first time I actually had the numeric pad. Also, the touch pad here, I haven't had that yet either. Also, it has the braided for the keypad, and it's also pink. Love that. We love pink, obviously. If you haven't seen my studio before, you know that I'm a pink girl. And last but not least, we have our mouse. Our mouse is gorge. Yo, I can't tell you the last time I've used an Apple mouse. I really can't, because I've been using the Logitech mouse for when I edit especially. I think that's all that's in this box, honestly. So I'm gonna put all this back here, and then I'm gonna put this back, because again, I'm using this for when I move. But I do love keeping my electronic boxes. Call me a hoarder, I don't care. Anyway, to the main event. This is so light, guys. I'm gonna put this back on my editing desk, and I'll talk to you guys when we get over there. So let's go. Okay, so now we got her over here to my editing station. I'm not sure if I let you guys know in the last clip, but I did pick up this adapter for Mac. Found this off of All of Destiny's channel. I picked this up because I would like to have all of my outputs in front of the Mac instead of behind the Mac. It's just a little quirks for me. And it has all the different colors for the different color Macs. Depending on which one you got, obviously I'm gonna use the pink one. So I'm gonna show you guys how I assembled that right now. So it has all these different colors. Obviously, I'm gonna pick the pink one. I might, the rest of these are getting thrown out because I don't plan on using all those different colors. That looks tacky. Okay, so right now I'm going to take the film off of the Mac, start up the Mac together. I haven't seen the new Macs like startup screen, you know, on their own in person. I even started in a while, so. The first peel is gorgeous. Oh, so aesthetically pleasing. Wow, I love Mac products. Like, it just elevated my whole desk space here. Oh my God, is this so loud? Not sure what happened to the audio here, but as you guys can see, I'm just setting up my iMac, and I will be transferring some files over that I need to edit, play around my new Apple toy. This iMac is literally a beast. I've been working on it for a year now, and I'm still amazed at how fast this machine moves. Just to spotlight some features that I customized in my iMac, this is an Apple M3 chip with an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. It's way more powerful and has smoother graphics, especially with me editing 4K footage all the time for both of my channels. And I also heard that gaming on Apple products has really upgraded and toe-to-toe with your regular custom PC gaming. I added 24 gigabytes of memory because 8 gigabytes, I don't understand why that is the base, because it's never enough. But me running Photoshop, Final Cut Pro, or any of these Chrome tabs, honestly, it's way too many. Lagging and frame dropping where? A full 1 terabyte of SSD storage. I'm finally not deleting files every week, but I also have 2 very big hard drives that I edit and save stuff onto also. But having extra storage always is a plus. Also, it has a Gigabit Ethernet cord, so you can have fast upload speeds if you plan to use this for any type of streaming. So yeah, this iMac is officially my new content creation bestie. It helps me so much. So if you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this unboxing, please let me know in the comments below. If you want me to review anything else about the specific iMac, please let me know also in the comments below. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching my iMac 3 unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.